Lobster prepared 3 ways: lobster salad with fresh sage and pumpkin confit, butter-poached lobster tail, and lobster bisque sauce with pumpkin. Hi, we are back in the kitchen. My name is Arnis.
My name is Lucas.
And today we're going to show you how to cook a lobster. You will get the biggest one. Place the knife on top of the head and make a clean cut. Yes, more. Good. There you go. Remove the claws and set them aside. Three, two, one, let's go.
Can I do it?
Yes. There you go. Now remove the tail. Put it back, twist and remove it. To the one side, twist to another side and remove it. Yes? Cut the tail open with the scissors and remove the shell, leaving the meat clean and intact. I never throw away the shell. I use every part of the lobster. The shell will later be used for the sauce. You can also leave the shelf on for a more delicate presentation. However, I find it easier to control the cooking and texture when the shell is removed. Now prepare salted water with herbs and garlic, then poach the lobster claws in the shell for about 6 minutes depending on the size. Cool them down immediately in ice water to stop the cooking, then remove the shells. This can be a little tricky with a larger lobster, but be patient. I find heavy-duty scissors the most comfortable to use. Like this. That you want to remove. Let's prepare our pumpkin that we're going to make into a confit. Cut the pumpkin in manageable pieces and remove the seed and fibers. Slice it into thin 2mm slices. Now let's prepare the lobster and pumpkin bisque. So you have to take the pumpkin and then you press out as many slices as you can from this, okay?
I can do 2 at a time.
You can try to do 2 at a time for sure. Press out pumpkin circles for the confit. And set them aside for later. What you're going to do now is you're going to drizzle the pumpkin with some olive oil and then you will torch it. Place the pumpkin trimmings in a cooking pan. Press this button. When the flame goes on, you just burn it a little bit. Drizzle with olive oil and lightly torch them for a subtle roasted flavor. Now prepare the remaining vegetables. We use shallot, garlic, pumpkin, lobster heads and shells, kombu kelp to deepen the umami flavors, and fresh thyme. So what we want is we want to cut this one in half, open it, and it's a lot of flavor here. So we put it on the top. Roast everything in oil. Add tomato paste and mix well. Cook for a couple of minutes to develop a slight char on the lobster heads. Add the kombu kelp and cover everything with a good quality coconut milk. Add a handful of fresh sage and let it simmer over medium heat for about 40 minutes. Once done, strain the liquid and season with salt, brown sugar and lemon juice. Reduce the sauce by about 20% for a richer flavor. Transfer it to a siphon and charge with the gas. Let's prepare our poaching liquid for both lobster and pumpkin. So what are we going to start with? Let's start with the butter that goes in, right? We're going to need to heat this to 42 degrees. We have some nice sage and coriander as a spices. No, we don't need to cut this for now. You can prepare some garlic. There you go. So we just zest like half of the lemon. Or you're not gonna chop it, you're going to do it our way, right?
Yeah.
Yes, good.
Only one of them?
Only one of them, yes, one is enough. Good. Very good. Good. Heat the butter to 43 degrees Celsius. Insert wooden skewers into a lobster tails to prevent curling, and then place them in the butter.
If you're lost and you're feeling low.
Cook for 7 minutes. Remove them from the butter and trim the sides for a cleaner presentation.
Social media and sleepless nights. Final call.
Now let's cook the pumpkin confit. Using the same butter, place the pumpkin circles from earlier into the pan and cook them at 60 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes.
Remedy. To stay fit for
Season the lobster tails with brown sugar and salt, then lightly torch them before serving.
spoonful. Just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful. The doctor says it's okay. Spoonful, spoonful. Just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful. The doctor says.
Let's prepare the lobster salad. Carefully remove the meat from the lobster claws and mix it with a good quality olive oil, lemon zest and fresh sage. I don't add extra salt because the claws were already seasoned in the poaching butter.
And you don't have to watch your weight. Load up your portion control plate. Just a spoonful burns the fat away. It's fantastic and it's for free.
Okay, let's plate our lobster salad. Will you help me? Lucas plates the lobster salad in a circular shape.
'Cause there is a simple remedy. Just like
So you need to be very careful with it. It goes right on the top here.
spoonful, spoonful, just a spoonful a day. Spoonful, spoonful, the doctor says it's okay. Spoonful.
So now the lobster goes on. Plate the lobster tail and finish with a lobster bisque for a final touch. Let's go. Perfect. Our lobster three ways: lobster salad with fresh sage and pumpkin confit, butter poached lobster tail, and lobster bisque sauce with pumpkin.